Did you know that you can unlock any iPhone in just a few simple steps? This will work for any iPhone, including the iPhone 17 Pro, 16, 15, 14, or any other. We've been unlocking iPhones for many years, and I'll tell you everything that you need to know about the different types of locks that exist and how to unlock them. Let's start by breaking down the three types of locks that exist on any iPhone. First, the network lock, which is also known as the carrier or the SIM card lock. This video will show you how to unlock the network of your iPhone so that you can use it with any eSIM or any SIM card. It might be necessary if you want to switch providers or if you want to use a different SIM card while traveling abroad. Number two, we have the passcode lock. This is for cases where you have forgotten your passcode, or if your phone is unavailable, or you just lost access to your device. If this is your case, don't worry, I'll show you some simple solutions that will help you out. And number three, we have the activation lock or the iCloud lock. And this happens when the iPhone gets locked to a previous owner, or if you forgot your password of your own Apple ID locked to this device. Or maybe you just bought a second-hand iPhone online which came with an activation lock and now you just feel like scammed. So I have included timestamps in this video so you can skip to the part of the video that you need. So with that said, let's begin. We'll start with the first one, the network unlock. Now there are a few ways in which you can do a network unlock. The first option is to take it to a phone shop. But the downside is that you will be handling over your iPhone with all your personal information, and this could be risky and insecure. Secondly, you could also try contacting your carrier, but in most cases they are unwilling to unlock your device and they try to make you use their services forever with phone contracts. That's why I recommend using a professional online unlocking service as the one we will be using today, which is secure, reliable, super easy to use, but most importantly 100% legal and safe for you to use. So here's how it works. Start by finding your IMEI number required for this unlock. To find it, go to the dial pad and dial *#06#. The 15-digit IMEI number will show up in the screen of your device. You can also find the IMEI number by going to the settings of your iPhone, about, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the IMEI number. The IMEI number is also located behind a box, or sometimes you could also eject the SIM card tray of your iPhone and you will see a small little number there. That's the IMEI number. Once you have your IMEI number, we're going to proceed to the following website, unlockriver.com. I will include all the links in the description of this video, so make sure you use the official links. Here we will use the carrier unlock service. We're going to start by selecting the original country and carrier that your phone is locked to. If you don't know the origin of your phone, you can run your IMEI number through one of these IMEI check tools, which will tell you the original country, the original network, the lock status, and much more. So once you know all the details, we're going to proceed to fill up the form. We'll continue by selecting the brand, and then the exact model. In this case, Apple iPhone 17 Pro. And let's proceed. In the next step, you'll have to enter your 15-digit IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. Enter your email, and lastly, you're gonna see the time to unlock this device and the price to get this phone unlocked. The price may vary depending on your phone's brand, model, and carrier. And I know that these prices might be a little bit scary, but trust me, it's worth having a fully unlocked phone that you can use anywhere worldwide. So I think it's completely worth it. But as promised, I'll show you the rest of the process so that you can see how we unlock this device. On the following pop-up, just proceed to place your order. After placing your order, you will receive two emails. The first email is confirming your order, and you will receive the second email after the unlock has been successfully completed. The second email should look something like this. It confirms that the iPhone has been successfully factory unlocked, and now we simply need to activate the unlock by connecting it to Wi-Fi or following a few simple steps. So let's proceed with the final phase. So the first step is to turn off your device. Insert a new SIM card, or simply install any eSIM through the settings of your phone. Turn on the iPhone, and that's it. Once it connects to Wi-Fi, it will detect the new network and you will be fully able to use it with any network anywhere in the world. Your iPhone now works with a new carrier and is compatible worldwide with any eSIM. You can install any SIM card and your iPhone will have no SIM restrictions. Next, let's cover the passcode unlock. We all have been there. You pick up your phone and you cannot remember your passcode. We will need a computer and a cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. If you're using a Windows computer, make sure to have iTunes installed as we will need it later. I will include all the links below. The first step is to connect your iPhone to a computer using the cable. Then for Windows, run iTunes. Now for Mac users, simply open the Finder, and it is highly recommended to be running on the latest macOS version, so make sure your software is up to date. But wait, a quick pause. This video is sponsored by PhoneProof, where you can verify any iPhone before buying it secondhand. It will show you the iCloud status, blacklist, carrier lock, if it's stolen, the repair history, and you even get the estimated value of your device. There is a free quick check available, and if you want the full report, you can use the code SAVE5 for your discount. I will include all the links down below. Now let's go back. The next step is to enter recovery mode. This varies per iPhone model, so I recommend Googling how to enter recovery mode on your specific iPhone model. For the latest iPhones, this is how we enter recovery mode. Make sure that your iPhone is turned off. Then simply press volume up key, volume down key, and then press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you see the recovery mode screen. Your computer will detect your iPhone in recovery mode and it will prompt you to restore it and update it. It is important to keep in mind that this will erase all the data of this iPhone, so I recommend having a backup of your information before proceeding. Now, if this iPhone is not yours, it's possible that it will have an activation lock once you restore it, which means that it will be very tricky to get back access to it, but I'll explain the activation lock later. So we're gonna proceed and the process will take a few minutes. And make sure that you're running on the latest macOS version or the latest version of iTunes. That's a workaround in case you get any error in this process. Once the process is completed, your iPhone will restore as a completely new device. Now we can proceed with the initial setup, and that's it. As you can see, my iPhone has been fully unlocked and boom, our device has been successfully unlocked and now we can access it again. And there you go, you should be able to use it without any issues. Now in some cases you might get an activation lock screen just like this, and this may happen if you have forgotten your password of your Apple ID linked to your account, or if you bought a second-hand device locked with the account of the previous owner on eBay or on any marketplace. The seller might have forgotten to sign out of their iCloud account, and this is when this activation lock happens. This will only work if you are the rightful owner of the iPhone. Before we carry out this kind of unlock, we should verify that this iPhone is clean and not blacklisted or reported as stolen. So we need to find out what's the status of this iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to verify this. The first step is to start by finding the phone's IMEI number. Tap on the eye icon on the lock screen or check the SIM card tray. Sometimes you can find it there. Once you have your IMEI number, we're going to proceed to the following website, unlockriver.com. I will include all the links in the description of this video. We will check and confirm that the iPhone has not been lost, stolen, or reported as unpaid or anything wrong with it. And we will use the Apple full check information. The report will cost around $3 to $4, so it's not really expensive, and you will receive it instantly in your email. The report looks something like this. It will include the IMEI number, the model, the brand, but the most important part is the blacklist status and the iCloud status. If your device is clean, we're good to go. Otherwise, we will not be able to proceed because this means that this iPhone is not clean. But in this case, it is clean, so we can proceed with the next step. Now we're gonna go to the iCloud Unlock section. Then enter your phone original region. Next, choose the phone brand and model. Then we'll enter the IMEI number and your email. Perfect. And keep in mind that this is a service that is done remotely with a processing time, and the price to unlock this device may vary depending on your phone's model and region. And I know that this price might be quite pricey, but honestly it's way better than having a phone that is locked and I'll never be able to use again. If they are not able to unlock your phone, you will get a full refund. But if they do, you will get a fully unlocked device, so it's worth a try. So this is the method that has worked for me as long as my iPhone is clean and not reported as lost or stolen. So let's proceed by placing the order. After the unlock is complete, you will receive two emails. The first email is the email confirmation. The second email, you will receive it after the unlock has been successfully completed. The second email should look something like this. It confirms that the iPhone has been successfully unlocked. And it also has instructions on how to proceed. So once you have received this email, restart your iPhone, and then we'll simply have to connect our device to Wi-Fi. Let's continue with activation. Then we'll proceed with the initial setup. And as you can see here, the activation lock has been removed and we are requested to enter a new Apple ID account. We can skip this for now. So I'll just proceed and fast forward. And that's it. Our iPhone has been now successfully unlocked and we're able to use this iPhone without any restrictions. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.